Okay, now second year, first book, theoretical questions. So 50 questions I'm going to give. You check your ability. Take paper and pen and answer. When a body is positively charged, what happens? Its mass increase or decrease. Second one, force between two charges and separated by some distance is F. A metal plate is introduced between the two charges, then what happened? The force increase or decrease or zero. Third one, a dipole is kept in a closed chamber. What about electric flux? According to Gauss law, 1 by epsilon naught q, electric flux. Now dipole is kept in a closed chamber. What happened? The electric flux. Next, number 4, dimensional formula of linear charge density. Linear charge density. Number 5, SI unit of electric flux. What is SI unit of electric flux? Number 6, electric potential of earth, how much? Electric potential of earth. Seventh one, distance between two positive charges decreased. What happens? The potential energy. Eighth one, in stable equilibrium, what is angle made by the electric dipole with the electric field? Ninth one, what is the instrument that produces very large potential? Which instrument produces large potential, electric potential? Tenth one, on conducting charge sphere, electric potential is V. Then potential at the center of the sphere, how much? Potential at the center of the sphere. 11th one, electric capacity depends on. 12th one, 12 identical capacitors connected as sides of the skeleton cube. Then the equivalent capacity between ends of the diagonal, opposite corners of the opposite corners, diagonally opposite corners. What is equivalent capacity between diagonally opposite corners? Number 13, an identical charge drops, each having potential V connected, merged. Then what is the electric potential of the bigger drop? What is electric potential of the big drop? Next, 14th one, what is electric capacity of earth? Electric capacity of the earth. 15th one, capacitor disconnected from the battery, then which one remains the constant? Potential or charge remains the constant. Next, 16th one, meter bridge wire is made of which material? Which material is used to prepare the meter bridge wire? 17th one, ideal cell internal resistance, how much? 18th one, when a cell is short circuited, which one becomes zero? EMF or terminal PD? 19th one, according to Kirchhoff's first law, which one is conserved? Number 20, in a potentiometer, one cell is connected in the primary circuit and another cell is connected in the secondary circuit. Which one should have more EMF? 21, resistivity of the material depends on. Resistivity of the material depends on. 27th one, if the resistance in the left gap of the meter bridge is decreased, then balancing point shifts to which side, left or right? 23rd one, moving charge produces electric or magnetic field. Moving charge produces electric or magnetic field. Number 24th one. Which material wire is used to suspend the coil in the MCG, moving coil galvanometer? Coil is suspended. Which material wire is used? 25th one. Conductance of ideal ammeter. How much? Conductance of ideal ammeter. 26th one. Two parallel wires carrying currents in same direction, then the force between them, attractive or repulsive. 27th one. Cyclotron charged particle is moving in curved path. That which one moves the charged particle in curved path? Electric field or magnetic field? Next, 28th one. Direction of the force acting on current carrying wire kept in a magnetic field is obtained by which rule? Which rule gives the direction of force acting on current carrying wire? 29th one. Current carrying coil acts as a magnet. What is its magnetic moment formula? Magnetic moment of current carrying coil. 30th one. A wire magnet of moment M is bent in the form of arc of semicircle. What is its new magnetic moment? 31st one. Susceptibility is independent of temperature for which material? Ferro, para or dia? What is the dip value at equator of the earth? What is dip? 33. What is the direction of magnetic induction field on the equatorial line of the bar magnet? What is the at any point on the equatorial line, what is the direction of magnetic induction field? That means north to south or south to north. 34th one. Two examples of paramagnetic material. Give the two examples for paramagnetic material. 35. Transformer can work only for AC or DC. North pole is moving towards a coil. Then what is the direction of induced current in the coil? 37th one. Induced charge is independent of. 38th one. A coil is rotated through 180 degrees. Then what is the change in flux? Actually, when coil is in a field, a magnetic field, the flux is phi. It is rotated through 180 degrees. What is change in flux? Induced current flows from high voltage to low voltage or low voltage to high voltage. 40th one. Form factor is the ratio of. 41. In pure inductor, current and voltage relation. Current leads or lags the voltage by how much? 42. Example of wattless current. Power produced is 0 in wattless current. Give an example where which instrument current, which device current passing, we get wattless current. During resonance, phase factor cos phi, how much during resonance of the LCR circuit? Impedance of circuit measured in which units? Impedance. Capacitor blocks. Capacitor allows one current and blocks another one. Capacitor blocks which one? AC or DC? 46th one. Accelerating charge produces which type of waves? Mechanical waves or electromagnetic waves? 47th one. Current produced the EMF produced due to change in electric field, the current generated due to change in electric field is the current produced due to change in electric field is called. Which current is that? 48th one. In vacuum, which electromagnetic wave having more velocity? We have gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, infrared rays. Which one having more velocity in vacuum? 49th one. In a remote control, which electromagnetic waves are used? In remote control, which electromagnetic waves are used? And electromagnetic waves, we have both electric and magnetic field vectors. Which vector causes the visibility? Visibility is due to electric field vectors or magnetic field vectors. So these are the 50 questions. You check your answers. First one, when a body positively charged, so electrons removed from it, so mass decreases. Its mass decreases. When a metal plate is kept between two charges, the force between them becomes zero because metal does not allow the electric lines. Third one, a dipole is kept inside the closed chamber. Electric flux coming from it is zero. Dimensional formula for linear charge density: charge by length. Charge means IT, then length. IT L power minus 1. Linear charge density dimensional formula IT L power minus 1. SI unit of electric flux. So electric flux phi is equal to EA. So Newton per Coulomb into meter square. Newton meter square by Coulomb. Sixth one, electric potential of earth is 0. Electric potential of earth is taken as 0. Seventh one, distance between two positive charges decreased. Then distance decreases, potential energy increases. Potential energy increases. Eighth one, in stable equilibrium, dipole is parallel to electric field. That means angle between them is 0. Ninth one, what is the instrument produces high potential? Van de Graaff generator. Van de Graaff generator produces large electric field. 10th one, electric potential on the surface of the conducting sphere is V. What is potential at the center of the sphere? Means V only, because inside everywhere potential will be same. 12 capacitors. What is the electric capacity of the electric capacity depends on which factors? Number 11. Electric capacity depends on dimensions of the conductor, does not depend on charge and potential. 12 capacitors connected in the form of skeleton cube. The equivalent capacity between diagonally opposite corners is 6C by 5. 13th one, n identical charges, each potential V joined. The net potential is n power 2 by 3V. Big drop potential is n power 2 by 3V. 14th one, electric capacity of earth is 711 microfarads. Electric capacity of the earth is 711 microfarad. When the capacitor is disconnected from battery, which physical quantity remains constant? Means charge remains constant. Battery disconnected means charge remains constant. Number 16. Meter bridge wire is made of manganese. Meter bridge wire is made of manganese. Number 17. When a cell is number 17. Internal resistance of ideal cell is 0. Internal resistance of ideal cell is 0. Number 17. Over 18. When cell is short circuited, which one becomes 0? EMF or terminal PD? Means terminal PD 0 when cell is short circuited. According to Kirchhoff's first law, which is conserved? Charge is conserved. 20th one, EMF of cell in the primary circuit must be greater than EMF of the cell in the secondary circuit. Then only we are able to measure EMF of the unknown cell. 21. Resistivity of the material depends on nature of material. Resistivity depends on nature of material. 22nd one. Resistance in the left gap decreases. The balancing point shifts to left side. 23rd. Moving charge produces both electric and magnetic fields. 24th one. Which material wire is used to suspend? Phosphor bronze wire is used to suspend the coil in MCG. 25th one. Conductance of ideal ammeter. Conductance of ideal ammeter is infinity. Resistance 0, resistance 0, conductance infinity. 26th one. Two parallel wires carrying current in the same direction. The force between them is attractive. 27th one. Cyclotron charge moves in a circular path because of magnetic field. Electric field accelerates, magnetic field moves the particle in circular path. Direction of the force acting on current carrying wire is obtained by Fleming's left hand rule. 29th one. Current carrying coil acts as a magnet. Its magnetic moment NAI. 30th wire. A wire magnet is bent in the form of arc of semicircle. 2m by pi. Magnetic moment becomes 2m by pi. Susceptibility is independent of temperature for diamagnetic material. 32. Dip value at equator. At equator dip is 0. 33. Direction of magnetic field on equatorial line. North pole to south pole. North to south. Parallel to axial line, north to south. 34th one. Paramagnetic material, two examples. Manganese and oxygen. Manganese and oxygen. 35. Transformer can work only for AC, cannot work for DC. North pole is moving towards the coil. The direction of current is anti-clockwise. The induced current direction is anti-clockwise. 37th one. Induced charge is independent of time. Induced charge is independent of time. 38th one. A coil is rotated through 180 degrees, then change in flux is 2 phi. Originally flux is phi, the change in flux is 2 phi. Induced current flows from low voltage to high voltage. Normal current flows from high voltage to low voltage. Induced current flows from low voltage to high voltage. 40th one. Form factor is the ratio between IRMS by I average for half cycle. IRMS by I average for half cycle. So I naught by root 2 by 2 I naught by pi. Pi by 2 root 2. Answer. Pi by 2 root 2. 41. In pure inductor, current lags the voltage by pi by 2. Current lags. 42. Example of wattless current. Current passing through inductor or capacitor. 43. During resonance, form factor, phase factor cos phi is 1. Phase factor cos phi value 1. Impedance Z measured in ohms only. Impedance units ohms. Resistance units, impedance units same. Capacitor blocks DC. Capacitor allows AC, blocks DC. 46th one. Accelerated charge produces electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves generated by accelerated charge. 47th one. The current produced due to change in electric flux is called displacement current. Displacement current. 48th one. In vacuum, which electromagnetic wave having more velocity means all electromagnetic waves having same velocity. 49th one. In remote control, we use infrared rays. 50th one, visibility is due to electric field vectors. Magnetic field vectors size is very small, so because of electric field vectors only we are getting visibility. So check your answers.